Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. Once again in this video I'm talking about the Dent coin. What's the current price of the Dent coin and what's the prices occurring in the Dent coin, and especially in this video I'm talking about the very latest update, the important update of the Dent coin. So keep watch this video till the end friends, and if you're new to my channel so please click the subscribe button, like this video for more this kind of news and updates videos friends. Anyways my friends, let's start the video friends and let's move on. The current price of the Dent coin in the market is 0.006641 USD dollar is the current price of the Dent coin. On the other side, if you look the price changes occur in the Dent coin, so the last 1 hour, the last 1 week and the last one day price change as negative, only and only the last 1 hour price change as positive friends. That's absolutely good news. That's a surprise news for all dentcoin holders. That's only the last 1 hour price change as positive. That's mean that the dentcoin start jumping in the last 1 hour friends. Absolutely, I'm really happy to see this kind of change occur in the dentcoin friends. Now this time you are seeing the last 1 day price chart of the dentcoin friends. If we look the prices occur, as you can see here, that is the latest price change occur in the dentcoin. So now at this time the Dent coin gradually start moving upward and they are trying to go upward. The price is gradually going upward friends. So I hope that they continue this jump for a long time and this kind of change continue throughout this whole month. Anyways, if you look the last 24-hour price change occur negative 4.07%. Very soon the price change become positive if this kind of price change continue in a Dent coin friends. Anyways, if we look the highest price of the Dent coin, so 0.007178 USD dollar price they hit touch in the last 1 day in the 24-hour friends. If you look the previous time change occur in the Dent coin is absolutely negative. As I told you in my previous videos that don't decide to sell Dent coin. I know at this time the price of the Dent coin is fast down friends, but that's not mean then you decide to sell Dent coin. Remember that if you want to make a good amount of profit with the cryptocurrencies market, so you have to hold Dent coin for a long time. That's how you can get a good amount of profit from the Dent coin friends. Now this time they are start jumping, so please don't do this mistake again and don't decide to sell Dent coin. It's time to only and only hold friends. That's my suggestion friends. Anyways, remember that I'm not a financial advisor. If you want to buy, sell or hold any cryptocurrencies, so please do your own research friends. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.